Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear Facebook search history in PC. So open your Facebook and at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that. And then we need to go to settings. Once you click on that, again, you need to click on settings. And here you will find account center. So we will click on that. You will see a new window like this. And here we have this your information and permissions. We need to click on that. And then we need to click on search history. Now from here, you can simply select clear all search for last hour, yesterday, all time. Or if you want to go for specific profile, you can manually delete like this. All the searches like this. Alright, so this is how you can clear search history in Facebook in PC. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.